Good morning, everyone. My name is Elizabeth Rafi. I study in UKGC. Today, I want to say a story of a small, hungry caterpillar with a big appetite. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Sunday morning, the warm sun came out. Pop! Out of the egg came a small, hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through four strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through five oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, one pickle, one slice of Swiss cheese, one slice of salami, one lollipop, one hot dog, one cupcake, one slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. Then the next day was Sunday again, so the caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf. After that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. So, he built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then the caterpillar nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. The end. And the moral of the story is, if you eat junk food, it makes you a stomachache. If you eat healthy food, it makes you big and strong. Thank you.